food here, yeah. What do
I
you have?
I just buy chicken pop, and it is it's guava from Thailand.
Yeah.
It's green
Oh,
and
maybe in Indonesian it's like asinan.
it's asinan in
lotus.
Indonesia.
Yeah, in
lotus.
Jakarta lotus. Yeah.
It's fruit and this one my favorite. I bought the big size because I really like bubble tea, Thai tea.
Yeah, it's so big.
So big.
Yeah. You can use the the cup to another stuff. Okay.
It's really good.
And now me. I don't know. Yeah.
So many.
There's so many food here. Okay, guys. See here. This is. They say it what is? I forget the name.
Forget the name. It contains of vegetables.
Yeah, like a soup, but it's not soup in here. There what is noodle, broccoli, and
Broccoli and
this
it's like
fish.
okay.
Fish, the white fish. Okay, and then yes, like Nadia, we have a
Same
guava, same.
guava.
Alright.
It's really good.
Yeah, it's really good. It's
Guava.
really good. Oh my gosh! And then I have this one. It's
What is that?
it is like a
Meatball?
No meatball.
What?
They said
Nugget is like a
yeah nugget, but
nugget.
it's inside. Maybe we can surprise with inside later.
Oh,
Okay.
Okay.
And then I'm still have it.
Sushi.
Sushi.
Yeah.
Yay, sushi here. Sushi is.
I don't really like sushi.
Cedars,
So
right? Okay.
I don't.
Yeah. There 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6. And then this is
Juice.
This is original from
Oh.
orange.
Orange.
So they
Thai orange.
they choose it in a yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, okay, something like that. And then, yeah, still
Same
same
with me.
Nadia, but maybe the sauce is different, yeah.
Different.
This
Mine is chili.
Yeah.
Chili sauce.
Okay. You
So
yeah.
I will
Oh, Nadia, wait.
start.
I have this one, the sambal.
Oh,
Sambal from Thai, and this is the red one, the brown one, and then this is the green one. Sauce. It's sambal too.
Maybe it's spicy.
Oh no, yeah, spicy. No, there's no sambal here.
I don't know.
Yeah.
We don't know.
You don't know.
We
Let's
haven't
try
know.
it.
Yeah, we will try it.
Okay,
So I will start first.
start first. Okay.
For this one is this Thai tea is very popular in Indonesia. And there is a bubble there. Can you see? Bubble. Actually, the taste is almost the same with Thai tea in Indonesia, but I think maybe because this original Thai tea, so it's more tasty and yeah, it's more tasty.
Okay.
I am speechless because I
Size,
really
the size.
like this.
The
And
size?
I bought the big size because
Yeah.
I really like Thai tea.
That.
And you?
I will try the first is maybe
Orange
the green.
juice.
Let's toss, Nadia. Let's toss.
Okay.
We toss.
Cheers.
This is orange juice. Oh, this price. I will try the first is this one.
What is that?
I forget the name, but it's familiar name. But I'm sorry, I forget. Maybe
Yeah.
later. Yeah.
I don't bought it because it's
Yeah.
contained of pork.
Yeah. Oh
there
yeah.
is a pork,
There's pork here.
so I
Yeah.
can't eat it.
It's rolled in
Yes,
with the mushroom
pork.
here. Actually, I don't like pork, and I can eat the pork, but okay, I want to try it and eat the.
Oh,
Yeah.
You don't like
Yeah.
the smell.
Yeah, I don't like the smell. Alright. Okay.
So
let's. How about you?
I don't just.
Okay. Let me. This is the noodle.
It's how's the taste.
The noodle. The noodle is so soft.
So
In Indonesian, it's like bihun.
Bihun. Oh yeah, in
But
Indonesia
but
we
it's
call it bihun.
different. Totally
Different.
different because it's so
soft.
soft.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, in Indonesian it's still like they have like
It's a little
raw,
bit,
yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And then now it is
Broccoli.
here.
Broccoli.
Yeah. Actually, this is a good.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, they give our recommended
Mm-hmm.
product, and yes, this is good.
Good.
Yeah. Maybe the
Okay.
next.
Next, from me, the fruits. So in Thailand, there were so many sellers who sell these kinds of fruits. So there are so many fruits like what? Watermelon, pineapple, guava, and coconut also. So many, and I choose guava. So let me try. So this is original from Thailand because in Indonesia our guava is not like this.
Yes.
It's really bright green.
I
Oh,
think
so-
it's used a color, no? Food
No.
color? No, yeah.
Hmm.
Yeah, food color.
No.
No? Look at this. Look at this.
Maybe they use food coloring.
Yeah, maybe.
I don't know.
Yeah.
It's sweet and the taste is like guava, but more it's more soft,
More soft, yeah.
softer than the
Yeah, this kind guava is in Indonesia we call crystal guava. Yeah, jambu crystal.
So there is in Indonesia.
Yeah, we have it, but the color is
I don't know.
different. Okay,
Oh.
you didn't know? Okay.
Maybe
Okay.
there is no fruit like this in my hometown, so.
Oh yeah, Nadia should mau about it. Okay,
I really
and
like.
now you like it?
Mm.
Okay, now I'm going to this one. Yeah, sushi. So Via give me a recommended. This one is the best one. So this is the best one. Yeah, this sushi is brown with brown sauce. Yeah, this is tuna with the brown
Roasted
sauce.
tuna.
Yeah, roasted tuna. And then she give me 2 recommended sushi, and this is the one. Yeah. I don't know what is the green one. I think it's like rumput laut. In Indonesia, rumput laut. I don't know. What is it?
I forget.
Yeah,
I forget the term. Oh my god.
I forget too. And by the way, Nadia don't like this sushi, and I can share with her.
I
Okay.
don't realize sushi.
Yeah, I have. This is the sushi is from egg fish. Yeah.
Oh, fish
Yeah,
egg.
fish egg, and then this is shrimp.
Shrimp.
Yeah, and then this is this is shrimp.
Oh, this is
The
shrimp. I
This
don't know
is
what
crab.
is
Crab.
that.
This
Oh,
is crab.
crab.
Yeah, this is crab.
Mr. Crab.
Mr. Crab in here.
SpongeBob
Yeah.
SquarePants.
And this is not tuna. This is a fish too.
Fish.
Yeah, but it's
I forget
fried.
the name of
Yeah.
the fish.
Yeah. we
Thailand
forget.
fish.
Because the name is so difficult.
So
to spell it,
difficult.
Yeah, I will try the recommendation first. This one, but
Recommended.
they give me wasabi. Wasabi. Yeah.
What is wasabi?
Wasabi is like sauce.
Mhm.
Yeah, sauce for sushi. I don't know the taste, but like find out. Okay.
So actually, sushi. The origin of sushi is from Japan,
Japan.
but it's Thailand version. Okay.
Yeah.
So let's try.
Yeah, but we don't know the name of. They call
They call
sushi
it
too.
sushi too.
But for the others, they have a name, but we can remind. Okay, this one, yeah.
Actually, because the Thai language and Indonesian language is so different, so
So
it's difficult to remember even their name.
Yeah.
The name of our bodies, we easily forget
Yeah.
their name.
their name is so difficult to remember.
Try it.
Mm.
How's the taste?
It's so good. and it's so delicious. Yeah, I believe it now because it's so good now. You don't like it?
Actually, I don't really like sushi, but I will try.
Okay.
What's your recommendation for me?
Maybe this one.
This one?
Yeah, because she said that this is the number 2 of the favorite, her favorite.
Okay. I
Yeah.
forget the English term of rumput laut, guys. I'm so sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah, because we still learn. So
Yeah.
yeah, don't blame us, okay? So sorry.
Sorry.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Actually, guys, for information for you, FYI, yeah, Nadia is Muslim and I'm Christian. So it's okay if I eat pork,
but
yeah.
I
But Nadia,
count.
yeah, because it's not halal for her. Okay. So then,
It's good.
yeah, because we different but still okay, catch up
Yeah.
together. Okay.
Indonesia is Bhinneka Tunggal Ika.
Okay. Now I will use this one with the sauce because it should put in the first food, but I don't know. I want to try another food. Let's find out. Are you?
I'm falling in love with this, guys. I'm so sorry.
Okay, so cute. Da-da-da-da-da. Maybe
Okay.
you want to talk about your
Oh, this one.
no.
What?
Besides we eat this food, you can tell the viewers that
Yes.
about you or about anything.
Okay.
In here in Thailand.
So guys, if you maybe we will share it in another video because
Okay.
it's a review. Yeah.
Okay.
We
So-
will record another video for our explanation why we are in Thailand, why we are here in Nakhon Si Thammarat, and what will we do here. So yeah.
Check it out and stay tuned.
Stay tuned. So don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Okay.
Bye bye.